Okay, today we're gonna be working on our words using sound boxes. So this is really gonna help us understand the sounds in the word, okay?
Okay.
So the first word we're gonna do has two sounds, and the word is me. E. So if we use these boxes, it sounds like this. E. So can you write the word within the sounds? E.
E.
Yep, now use your finger and slow check it.
Me. Me.
Good job. Okay, let's erase that one. Now let's do another one. It has two sounds, so we're going to use the two boxes. And the word is go. G-O. G-O. Now you write it.
O.
Now slow check it.
Go. Go.
Good job. Okay, now let's move down to the three boxes, okay? So don't worry about these down here, just these. Okay? And your word is map. 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 Okay, now you write it. Good, now slow check it.
Map. Map.
Good. Good job.